Henrico prosecutors had told me they plan to bring more charges against former NICU nurse Erin Stratman, and today a grand jury indicted her with 6 new felony charges. Erin Stratman walked into court Monday to face new charges related to 3 babies she cared for while a NICU nurse at Henrico Doctors Hospital. One of those infants, who prosecutors refer to as baby YH, is the same child Stratman was already charged with hurting, but she is also now charged with crimes against 2 different babies. Prosecutors presented the 6 new child abuse and malicious wounding charges to a grand jury Monday, which led to direct indictments. Prosecutors have not publicly discussed the evidence related to the new charges, but Stratman's previous arrest came after investigators said she was responsible for multiple fractures a baby suffered in the NICU at Henrico Doctors in November of last year. The new charges related to baby YH involve incidents that happened on the same day. Commonwealth's attorney Shannon Taylor said she plans to move the 2 original charges involving baby YH over to circuit court.
The law allows us to charge 3 different periods of time, and we believe that each of those periods of time reflect some criminal conduct.
Henrico Doctors Hospital previously said 3 babies in total were found with what they called unexplained fractures in November and December of 2024, and that the cases were similar to incidents involving 4 different infants who were treated in the same NICU in 2023. CBS 6 asked Taylor if those 2023 cases could also result in criminal charges.
If we believe that we have evidence to show that this pattern of behavior is not lawful, there is an argument that one can say, well, then these other patterns of behavior are also unlawful. That's something that is being worked on right now.
As CBS 6 previously reported, the hospital placed Stratman on paid administrative leave in 2023 after the hospital conducted an internal investigation into the 2023 cases. But Child Protective Services documents showed that investigators could not definitively prove who was responsible for the abuse. Stratman was not criminally charged back then, and it remains unclear when exactly she was brought back to work. After Monday's court appearance, I asked Stratman if she had anything she wanted to say, and she did not respond. Erin Stratman was granted bond back on February 12th, and she does remain on bond. Commonwealth's attorney Shannon Taylor told me the appropriate time to contest that bond, if that is what they decide to do, would be at her next court appearance on March 20th. In Henrico, I'm Melissa Hippolyte for CBS 6.